Curious about how to resize your design in Canva? First, open up an existing design in Canva. Once you're there, you'll see a menu above. Look for the Resize button and give it a click. Just a heads up, resizing is a feature available with a Pro membership, so you might need to upgrade your Canva subscription to access it. After you've clicked on Resize, you'll be presented with some suggested resizing options. If none of those fit your needs, don't worry. You can either browse by category size or choose your own dimensions by selecting Custom Size. When you're setting a custom size, you can change both the width and the height to meet your specific requirements. Once you've set everything just the way you like it, take a moment to double-check the dimensions you've created. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Resize. Your design will start resizing. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can choose to copy and resize the design, which will open it in a new file. You'll see a preview of your resized design. If you're happy with how it looks, just click on Resize this design to finalize the resize. And there you have it. Your design is now resized to your liking. Thanks for joining us and happy designing!